Hey guys, I wish I could be there with you today, but when you finish your pre-test, this is going to be your activity. I'm going to go over the directions super duper quickly. You're going to grab a paper that looks like this. It is two-sided. Make sure that the side that you're starting with is the one that says do this side first. And it's basically adding green light fractions, adding fractions with like denominators. So you're really not focusing on the D or the A step as much. This is really your chance to focus on really putting fractions in simplest form. So here are the directions that you're going to follow. I'd like you to solve all the problems before you start to color. Okay, so go ahead and and the next thing is it says use scrap paper or a dry erase board to solve. So I don't want you doing this in your head. I want you to be showing your work. You can jot down your final answer next to the problem because you're going to need that recorded to do the next step. All right, because once you're done solving all of these problems on scrap paper and then recording the answer just nice and small right next, you can put like an equal sign and put your final answer. When you're totally done, you are going to use this key to figure out how to color the different pieces. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but it says if the answer is 1/4, 1/8, or 1/16. So anywhere where you got those three fractions as answers, you're going to color that section purple. If it's 1/2, 1/3, or 1/7, you'll color it blue. And you'll do the same thing. It kind of tells you what to color: purple, blue, green, yellow, or red. And it will end up with a design. So if you're going to go ahead and color something and it doesn't seem like it would match the design, go ahead and recheck your work. All right. And then finally, it's reminding you these are all answers in simplest form, in lowest terms, as they say. And then when you finish that side, there is another side. The other side is actually subtraction, but it's unlike fractions. So that means yellow or red. And you're going to follow the same steps. You're going to solve it on scrap paper or on a dry erase board, jot the answer down in the section. And then this is a little bit different. This is deciding, do you understand the fraction 1/2 and whether or not fractions are less than, greater than, or equal to. It says rename the answers in lowest terms. That means simplest form. If the answer is 1/2 or greater, so equal to half or greater than half, then you'll color it yellow. If the answer that you get is less than half, then you'll color it green. All right. You don't need to worry on either side. There is like an enrichment section where it says taking it further. You don't have to worry about that. I really just want you to focus on the problems and the coloring. So you're gonna do this side first. If you finish, you're gonna work on unlike denominators, scrap paper or dry erase board. I think you will enjoy this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't know how to get rid of my video. Let me try this. Boom. And